Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your ING to another bank. First, open the ING app or visit the official ING website. Then log in to your account. Tap Payments in the app or click Transfers or Money Transfers if you're using the website. For Eurozone payments, choose SEPA transfer. For outside of SEPA, choose international transfer. Those usually take a bit longer to arrive. Enter the beneficiary's name, IBAN, and SWIFT or BIC code. Select who pays the transfer fees, you, shared, or the recipient. Then review all details and tap Send. You'll get a confirmation instantly. SEPA transfers usually arrive within 1 business day, while international transfers may take longer. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from your ING to another bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.